40th birthday present to myself is this Fendi purchase. This box is huge. Thank you, Liam. This is a very big box. And of course it's wrapped beautifully. I don't think I've ever had stickers like this before. Now I need to be really careful. Be careful. Don't rip the pretty paper. The pretty paper's getting ripped. Can I get to it without... Okay. There's like layers of very beautiful... Okay, here we go. Okay, I don't need all of that. That to the side. I don't know. I got myself a new baguette, and it's part of the I want to say the butterfly spring summer, but look how pretty she is. Oh, and she's got a long strap in there as well. This is my first brand new baguette. I have a pre-loved baguette that's silver, but look at the sequins in this bag. Isn't she just stunning? How do I get this off? But yes, this is my new purchase. A present to myself. Oh, take this off so you can see the strap. Look at it. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Which one does this go on? I'm not, yeah. So now I have 2 baguettes and 2 peekaboos, and I'm not sure what I love more. You know what's amazing about this? Like, the sequins are different sizes. Like, these ones here are really small and really tight, and then you've got the bigger ones along here. But yes, this is my new baguette, and she's so pretty and she's so smooth, and I promise not to drop her.